I got you. Yeah. On the way to Choo Chi. Is that right? Choo Chi? Yeah, we're on the way to Choo Chi.
Hold on, look, your man getting massage.
So we're on the way to Choo Chi tunnels. On the road for about an hour, maybe a bit more. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ireland.
Different. No.
Yeah, we're our own country now. Oh, whoa. You monster. You.
The Southern National Liberation Front and ducks. They fired into greenery. They fired into the earth. They even fired into schools, pots and pans, and even into Buddha statues.
I'm going to tell you about the situation in the water. And so we have to make the trap. It's just like to hunt the sea.
The exact way the enemy would go. He could foretell and plan where to put grenades exactly to kill the enemy.
Okay. Well, in the original entrance of the tunnel. The entrance, the door, very small, right? It's for the VC side. So we are very small. And this one, American cannot get in, Yeah, too much beer, too much KFC. To go in the tunnel, they're gonna do like this. They use the lift to camouflage. Okay, you can see it's very hard to recognize. So when you get you need two arms up to make your body thinner. And then bend your knee. Then bend it. Easy, right? Okay. Okay, anyone want to try it?
Yeah, go on.
Who's gonna be the first one?
Go on. I'm definitely not gonna fit.
You're not gonna fit. You're not gonna fit. There's no way.
Maybe. I won't be able to get my arms straight.
Okay, arms up.
Oh, you do fit.
I've been slimming, you know.
All the Asian food. Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
Easy, right? And anyone else?
Let's get out.
It's not easy.
And Dave, you forgot to you kill a lot of people, you know.
Oh my god.
Hey.
Poor guy.
Okay, how do you feel now? What's wrong? Okay. What's wrong? Anyone else? No more, don't worry.
I don't think anyone wants to do it now.
That was a bit harsh. You good? He was shaking when he got out.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised though. It's hard to breathe as well.
So anyone else?
I don't play.
YOLO. Okay.
Yeah, so that guy who came out of there was shaking when he came out. Like, that was pretty bad form. If he'd done that to me, I'd have snapped him in half.
Like turn my mouth, right? Ventilation. Bring the oxygen.
Oh my god.
We have a shooting range over there.
Oh.
Ventilation.
The tank, but the missing. My platoon, 6 person get killed and I get hurt. Hit me your finger, slowly, still hurt, okay? Right there. You got it? Oh, now, yeah, that's why shrapnel. You got it? That's why when I go to the airport, the beep, 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 beep everywhere. Right there, and my back, you can feel. And now you know who I am.
This one, you have 5 minutes.
Do you want me to take a picture as well? Whoa.
Yeah, we're getting the tech. You recording?
Yeah.
Well, catch up, go on.
Yeah, I got it. You can't, it's locked.
Stay up there and go to the back. Cool.
Undershot. To smell out this error. It's gonna stick to your leg. This one, you're gonna die if you try. You want your back also. So you can chop. If you fall to this one, it turns you like a window. Like the of them. So your feet gonna be left right here. Down here. Just hit the back. A hole right here. You know why it's not only in the triangle. Open the door, it's gonna let it. You need the gun to stop it. Right? This one is so you know in the one back control from Thank you.
I want a photo. Yeah, give me. What's it like down there?
Right here, anyway.
And we dip it in the peanut sugar. Only in Vietnam. This one. Mo Hai Pa Yo.